Customer's water heater T&P is dripping, so we're gonna fix it. Okay, so the customer's water heater is leaking from the T&P. I checked the water pressure, it's at 87 psi. I offered to install a pressure reducing valve, but he didn't want to go that route. So for now, we're just gonna replace the temperature and pressure relief valve and the expansion tank because that has also failed. I pushed the little Schrader valve needle up on top and water started coming out, so that's a sure sign it's failed. The water pressure is at 87, so I'm going to pump the big expansion tank up to 80 psi, which is the max that we pump it up to. Hopefully that'll help with it, but did let him know we can't warranty the expansion tank or the new temperature and pressure relief valve, just because the main reason for it probably leaking is the pressure to the house. So we're going to do that. So now that we've got the T&P valve out, we can take a closer look at it. Obviously the water pressure was an issue, but also hard water is the part of the issue here. What happens is that hard water builds and builds up inside the really small crevices of unit parts, and it just causes improper sealing. So this is it here, and then that's a little temperature probe there. It's all covered in calcium, whatnot. So that job turned out pretty good. Got done with it in about 45 minutes. On to the next one.